given him time for observation. Let's see. थोड़े से शुरू करें यहाँ से. I want all the wives to stand behind their respective husbands. ठीक है? Okay. Now, अभी वाइफ्स ने कुछ चेंज किए हैं अपने आप में, तो हस्बैंड्स को पहचान देखते हैं कितने एक्टिव है हस्बैंड्स और कितना अच्छा ऑब्जर्वेशन है. लेट्स स्टार्ट विद द फर्स्ट कपल. आप दोनों यहाँ पे सेंटर में आ जाइए. फर्स्ट कपल प्लीज कम एंड स्टैंड फेसिंग ईच अदर. हाँ, आप यहाँ पे सामने खड़े हो जाइए. ओके. अभी मैडम कितने चेंजेस किए आपने? 2. मैडम ने अपने आप में कुछ 2 चेंजेस किए हैं. अभी आपको वो पहचाने हैं. देखते हैं आपका ऑब्जर्वेशन कितना अच्छा है. स्टार्ट. लेट्स सी हाउ गुड दे आर. Earrings, right? Very good. Very well done. Second, is it right? My God, very good. Good, very good. Now let's go to the next couple. Can I have the couple over here? Ajay. Good. The husband is very vigilant. Okay, कितने changes हैं? 3. Oh my God, 3 changes हैं. अभी आपको observe करना है. Start. Earrings, very good. मतलब याद है आपने क्या किया? Is it right? Yes, very good. And there's one more change. Last वाला हमेशा टफ हो जाता है. Yes, what is it? No, very bad show. और ये कौन सा है change? नहीं पता चला. छोटा सा. अच्छा, माइनर चेंज है पर आइडेंटिफाई करने के लिए काफी बड़ा है. नहीं? तो जास्त रॉन्ग गेस नको. कौन सा था थर्ड? अंगूठी. इसीलिए ना मैं सर ले. ओके गुड. थैंक यू सो मच. लेट्स गो टू द नेक्स्ट कपल. प्लीज कम. ओके, मैडम हैज डन 2 changes, right? Okay. She has also done 2 changes. Start.
First is the bangle.
Yes, very good. I thought you would not catch it. Second.
The left ear.
Is it? Yes. Good. Very good. And there's one more change. There are 3 changes. Yeah, sorry. There's one more.
Ring is not there.
Yeah, it's with.
Okay.
Okay, good. Very good. So he's identified all the 3 changes. Can we please clap for the couple? Yes, good. Moving on. Let's go to the next couple. Please, आ जाइए. How many changes are there? 2. Okay, madam has also done 2 changes. Let's see. Start. Earrings. Perfect. Necklace. No, very bad show. एकदम confidently कर रहे हो. एकदम confidently wrong answer. बस और एक change है. Yes. No. देखो इतना टाइम आपको घर में भी नहीं मिलता है जितना हम यहाँ पे आज एनुअल डे के थ्रू आपको दे रहे हैं टाइम. टेक एडवांटेज ऑफ द मोमेंट. नहीं, इतना भी ज़्यादा एडवांटेज नहीं. कौन सा है सेकंड चेंज? सर आप ही ने किया था ना. ओके, लेट्स गो टू द लास्ट कपल. प्लीज help me here. Yes, how many changes have you made? How many changes are there? 2? 3 changes. Okay.
Earring, bangles, and
एवढं फास्ट? Earring bangle, right? I think they were the best because it was very fast. Earring bangles, it was just like this, right? Very well done. Can you please clap for all the couples? Very well done.
सर कहाँ पे?
Just give me 5 minutes.
You sit there.
I don't want to get.
And just tell the parents, leave the first row empty.
Yes, yes. Seema, you can manage this.
Good evening, everyone. A very warm welcome to dear parents, your friends and relatives who have come here for the first annual function of Little Millennium Mundwa. We also have my lovely wife Seema. I think she is missing. She is not around. My son Arnav, my friend Chiranjeev, his wife Neelam, and their pretty daughters Shubhi and Mahi along with us today on this special occasion. Right? Annual functions are always special for any school. This one is very special for us because this is first. And first for many kids who have joined preschools first time in their life. And as a parents, I think this is first experience for you as well. Right? You might be having elder kids, but many of the parents would be having, first kid in the schools. So I'm sure that this is very special for you as well. We recently had an annual sports day, and we saw the brilliant performance of our preschoolers, our small, champions. They dazzled us with their performances. Now today, once again they are going to take center stage, the spotlight today, and going to sing, dance, jump, rock and roll in front of you. So what's your job here? You are going to keep cheering. How do you cheer? Clap. And I don't mind if you whistle also. I don't know Siti Bajana, but you guys can do. Please feel free to do so. Right? So, with that, there is one more occasion. We are celebrating our graduation ceremony also for the kids. The kids are going to the next grade. And this is so very much special for all of us, right? The little ones moving on to the next step. We saw them like, one year back, almost 1 year back when they came. We were so worried, oh, how we are going to manage. But they have, done a brilliant job. We had so many festivals, so many events where the kids participated, our parents also participated, right? With this, I just want to wish the little ones all the very best. One more thing that I want to say, the kids are not going to be nervous. They are going to do whatever they can do their best. The one group who is most nervous, any guesses? Not parents. Teachers. That's my experience. Coming from the backstage, I can tell you they are more nervous than the kids and even more nervous than the parents. I agree, the parents are also, nervous, but I just want to suggest, it doesn't matter, even coming on the stage at this age, when I was young, I did not have the courage even to stand in front of, such a big crowd. So it's a big achievement for them, right? I once again request, keep cheering them, keep cheering up for them, Siti Bajao, Tali Bajao, right? And Bajate Raho. Thank you very much. With this, I will hand over the stage to Mugdha. Beautiful Mugdha who is with us. She is going to handle the stage, right? Thank you very much. Thank you.
Thank you so much. Check. I hope I'm quite audible to everybody. Yes. Very thanda, yes. Can we have a loud one, yes?
Yes.
Still no. Can I have more energy so that we can encourage our toddlers as well? Yes. So guys, are we ready? Yes. Okay, now that's better. So let's begin with our annual celebrations. As you all know, our today's theme is tree as a source of life. Tree is an important aspect of our mother nature. Trees give us shelter, provide us with food, and they are useful in a number of ways. So today's our theme is tree as a source of life. So before we begin the session, may I please request Neelam ma'am and Seema ma'am to kindly come up on stage and light up the diya. Can we please have a round of applause for them? Thank you so much, Neelam ma'am and Seema ma'am. Now we can begin our auspicious celebration of the annual day. Before we begin any event, it is important that we make the event auspicious by remembering our gods and goddesses. So we've done it, and we've also lit up the diya. So let's begin with our celebration. Are you ready to see some rocking performances? Yes! So let's start. So just to give you a small introduction about the school. Started last year on 22nd of March, the Little Millennium School. Today, we all are here to celebrate the first anniversary, which is going to be this month. There is only one objective of the school: making learning fun for preschoolers and making each one of them learn. The award-winning 7 Petals curriculum comes very handy in achieving our objectives. So I'm sure all are very happy with the Little Millennium School. Yes, everybody is happy with the way the child is developing, and the main objective of the school is to learn with fun. So I'm sure the kids are going to have a lot of fun today as well. So let's start with their performances. To begin with, we will now have a small performance on the Little Millennium song. Can you please hear it for the little toddlers? enjoyed this performance. I think we really need to give a round of applause for this cute little performance and the immense effort that they all have put in to come up in front of you. annual function in the memory of former President of India, late Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam, who was also known as the Missile Man of India. Known for his simplicity, India achieved a lot of progress in missile technology under his leadership. Awarded Bharat Ratna in 1997, one of his famous quotes is that, "If you want to shine like a sun, first you must burn like a sun." He believed in simplicity, and when he left Rashtrapati Bhavan after his tenure ended, he walked away barely with 2 suitcases with him. Such a man of high simplicity. Taking our program ahead, we will now have a cute performance by Emerging Wings, Let Stars Jump. We all need to keep our body fit, and how do we do it? By doing some simple movements and exercises. Now, our little stars will show how to relax and keep your body fit and absolutely fine. Here we call upon our Emerging Wing kids. So can we have a round of applause for our little kids?
Shuffle your feet, shuffle, shuffle. Shuffle, shuffle your feet, shuffle, shuffle. Shuffle, shuffle your feet. Jump left and jump right now. Jump left and jump right now. Jump left and jump right now. To this song and shuffle. Shuffle, shuffle your feet, shuffle, shuffle. Shuffle, shuffle your feet, shuffle, shuffle. Shuffle, shuffle your feet. Let's all jump, let's all jump. Let's all jump, let's all jump. Let's all jump, let's all jump. To this song, to this song, to this song.
Can we hear it for them? I think they're really making a lot of effort. So, कैसे लगे performances? Is it pretty awake, huh? So let me just come in the audience and check. I don't want people sleeping at the end.
So कैसा लगा फर्स्ट लिटिल मिलेनियम वाला सॉन्ग? आई थिंक इट वाज रियली वेरी क्यूट. और आधे वक्त तो वो अपनी मॉम डैड को सर्च करने में टाइम चला गया. हाय बाय, दे इवन फॉरगॉटन द स्टेप्स. दे आर सो हैप्पी लुकिंग एट द पेरेंट्स. Okay, so let's just check with ma'am here. कसा वाटला परफॉर्मन्स? तुम्ही जेव्हा किड होत्या लहान, तुम्हाला वाटतं एवढं चांगलं तुम्ही करू शकले असता का तुमची मुलं जास्त चांगलं करतात?
छान करताय.
Okay, good. So let's go ahead with the program. So how did you like it? Isn't it very cute? I've never seen such a cute performance. Baby, you have to be inside. We'll go to Mama Papa later. Okay. They're so excited to see the parents. Very well done. I think it was a really very cute performance. सच में मैंने आज तक इतना adorable performance on Avara Bhaure I have never seen. So thank you Anil sir for making me a part of this function. I'm really getting to see very sweet performances here. Moving on. So like you all know today our theme is tree as a source of life. So we have a lot of introduction over here regarding trees and about the mother nature. The sun is the source of energy for the whole universe and for all the flora and fauna. The sunlight helps trees to grow. Without sun, there is no life. It brings light in our life. Now, Emerging Wing Kids will present a dance performance on Mr. Golden Sun. The kids enjoy the company of the sun and are asking him to play with them. So this is the theme of the song, that the kids are requesting the sun to come and play with him. So please put your hands together for this performance by Emerging Wings. And the name of the dance performance is Mr. Golden Sun. I will also read the names of the students who will be performing this dance. It is Kriti, Ashmita, Anvi, Advika, Ojasvi, Aryaveer, Siddhant, Reyansh, Noman. So please put your hands together for all these cute little performers.
please shine down on me. Oh, Mr. Sun, Sun, Mr. Golden Sun, hiding behind a tree. Oh, these little children are asking you to please come out so they can play with you. Oh, Mr. Sun, Sun, Mr. Golden Sun, please shine down on me. Oh, shine, 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 shine your light on me. Hey, hey, now shine, shine, shine. Oh, you make me so happy. Mr. Golden Sun, please shine down on me. Mr. Sun, Sun, Mr. Golden Sun, you're magical to me. Oh, you make everything grow, 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 beautiful and wonderful. Mr. Sun, Sun, Mr. Golden Sun, thank you, Mr. Sun. Shine, 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 shine your light on me. Hey, hey, now shine, shine, shine. Oh, you make me so happy. Yeah, yeah, shine, shine, shine.
Okay, can we hear it for the cute little sons? Wasn't it pretty? एकदा जोरात शिट्ट्या आणि टाळ्या झाल्या पाहिजे. Was it nice? Now that's some energy I can feel in the auditorium. Okay, so moving on. याच्यानंतर अजून पण परफॉर्मन्सेस आहेत. तर पुढचा परफॉर्मन्स आपण सगळ्यांनीच हे गाणं लहानपणी ऐकलेलं आहे अँड एव्हरीबडी एन्जॉयज द सॉन्ग टिल डेट. नाच रे मोरा. येस, आपण लहानपणी इवन आय बीन डान्सिंग ऑन दॅट नाच रे मोरा. सो इट इज लाईक वन ऑफ द हार्ट थ्रोबिंग सॉंग्स फॉर ऑल द महाराष्ट्रियन्स एटलीस्ट. सो एव्हरीबडी इज अवेअर अबाउट दिस सॉन्ग. आता पुढचा परफॉर्मन्स असणार आहे नाच रे मोरा. सो आय विल जस्ट गिव्ह यू अ शॉर्ट ब्रीफ अबाउट दिस परफॉर्मन्स. Most of us enjoy rains, isn't it? सगळ्यांनाच पाऊस आवडतो, right? There are very few people who do not like rains. Majority do, and especially kids, they love rains. The whole nature becomes so beautiful when it rains. Rain provides water for plants to grow. The animal becomes so happy, and they are full of joy on seeing the rains. The most beautiful bird, peacock, shows its profound happiness when it sees the rain pouring, and it dances beautifully. So let's see the little peacocks from emerging wing class dancing to the tunes of the rains and Naach Re Mora. एकदा टाळ्या होऊ द्या आपल्या पिल्लांसाठी. This cute little performance will be presented by Anushri, Arya, Devashri, Sahasra, Rehan, Shravan, Siddhant and Rishi. I don't think we can have more cute Nachre Bola than this. Don't you agree? Yes, we have got all star kids. Pehle hi, bye, wave is very important. All star performers over here. Yes, babies, we are done. You want to go in the wing, change and then meet Mama, Papa? Yes? Good. Come. Okay, so all the modes are like really happy. Moving on, after the performances, we will just take a short break for the performance. We will now have the graduation day ceremony here. After that, we will again come back to our performances. Emerging wing class, the first batch of our school is now getting promoted to the next class. Calling out the names of the kids, promoting from emerging wings who are now ready to fly. To present this award ceremony, may I please request Seema ma'am to kindly come up on stage so that we can begin with the graduation ceremony. Okay, so can we please have a round of applause for all our graduates? So cute. Okay, so now ma'am will hand over the graduation certificates one by one as I call out the names. Please put your hands together for Krita. Aren't they looking cute? These kids are now getting promoted from emerging wings to ready to fly. After Krita, the second one is Ashmita. Can we hear it for Ashmita? Moving on, the next one is Anvi. Can we hear it for Anvi? Our next little cute grad is Advika. Can we hear it for Advika? After Advika, it's Ojasvi. Photograph. Please put your hands together for Aryaveer. Okay, so we can hear the parents cheering. Next one is Siddhant Salunke. Please put your hands together for Riyansh. The last little cute grad is Noman. Please put your hands together for Noman. Coming back to our performances, Next performance is going to be presented by the Ready to Fly Kids और इनका performance है एक छोटा बीज। एक छोटा बीज से मिलते हैं हम एक खूबसूरत पेड़ और पेड़ हमें देता है अनेक खुशियाँ। आज हम सुनेंगे इस छोटे बीज की कहानी, हमारे छोटे बच्चों की जुबानी, किस तरह एक छोटा बीज एक बड़े पेड़ में बदल गया। So this is a story about a small beach. So please put your hands together for our little Ready to Fly Kids.
The RTO Fun kids are themselves singing this song, right? So that's the beauty of this performance, and they are also acting on it.
Can we please clap for them? I think they deserve a clap. I mean, it is just very cute of them. It takes a lot of courage to stand on the stage and to perform something at such a tender age. एकदा सा शिट्ट्या झाला पाहिजे सगळ्यांसाठी. जोरदार. Very good. So that was a very, I don't know how to whistle. Otherwise I would have tried. I don't know how that sounds. Okay, so after this performance, we will now have another performance, which is again going to be a ride which will take you to the jungle. Jungle has been a most interesting and very cute aspect of our childhood. So jungle, किसका फेवरेट भाई जंगल बुक देखते हैं अभी भी बच्चों के साथ? देखते हैं पेरेंट्स? देखते हैं। अच्छा, यहाँ पर किसी पेरेंट को पूछते हैं उनका जंगल बुक का फेवरेट कैरेक्टर कौन सा है। सो हाउ मेनी पेरेंट्स वॉच जंगल बुक? चलो रेज योर हैंड्स, लेट मी सी। कितने लोग हैं जो जंगल बुक देखते हैं अपने बच्चों के साथ? यस, ओके। आपका फेवरेट कैरेक्टर कौन सा है? मोगली। मोगली, एवरीबडी लव्स मोगली। एनीबडी एल्स फेवरेट कैरेक्टर? यस सर, शेर खान। ओके, एंड exactly, I was going to say Bagheera. Yes. Nobody likes the snake. I forgot his name. What is the name of that snake? Ka. Yes. My God. So we have many lovers who really like Jungle Book. So I guess you all are going to really enjoy the performance of Jungle Book, which will be presented to you by our little developing root kids. Jungle is not all that scary place. It is a lovely place, a place where we find so many different animals. Our little ones from developing roots are passing through the jungle. Let's wait and watch what they see in the jungle while they are going by. So are you all ready to pass with the kids in this journey? Yes. Very thanda, yes. Yes. Good. So let's go along with the kids in our jungle ride.
The elephant is the largest animal with big ears and a long trunk. The elephant goes like this and that, like this and that, like this and that. The elephant goes like this and that because he's so big and fat. He has no fingers, he has no toes. He has no fingers, he has no toes. But goodness gracious, what a nose! The elephant goes like this and that, like this and that, like this and that. The elephant goes like this and that because he's so big and fat. He has no fingers, he has no toes. He has no fingers, he has no toes. But goodness gracious, what a nose! Walking through the jungle, what did I see? A baby monkey laughing at me. Walking through the jungle, what did I see? A big tiger roaring at me. Walking through the jungle, what did I see? A baby monkey laughing at me. Walking through the jungle, what did I see? A big tiger roaring at me.
Weren't they cute? Have you ever seen so cute animals in the jungle? When you pass by the jungle, have you ever seen so cute animals? Yes. Ek bar hi, bye. Yes. Let's go ahead. Yes. Let's do a big hi and bye all our star performers for today. Okay, they don't want the curtain to be closed. All rock stars, huh? Oh. Okay. So moving on, after this performance, we are back again with our graduation day ceremony. So we have one more batch of kids who are graduating. So the first batch of our school is now getting promoted to the next class. So I will be calling out the name of the kids who are getting promoted from emerging wings to ready to fly one. So we will just wait for the kids to line up and we will begin with the ceremony shortly. So we are back again. May I please request Neelam ma'am and Chiranjeev sir to kindly come up on stage to hand over certificates to our little graduation kids. Can we hear it for Chiranjeev sir and for Neelam ma'am? Okay, please put your hands together for our first little grad, Anushri. Our second little grad, Arya. Please put your hands together for Devashri. After Devashri, let's hear it for Sashra. Let's hear it for Rehan. Please put your hands together for Shravan. Please put your hands together for Siddhant Biradar. And let's hear it for our last little grad, Rishi. Thank you, Chiranjeev sir. Thank you so much, Neelam ma'am. Can we hear it once again? एकदा जोरदार टाळ्या झाल्या पाहिजे आपल्या little graduates साठी. After the graduation ceremony, let's come back to our performances. We have seen a lot of dances. अब थोड़ा variation है हमारे program में. After this, we are going to have a small skit. We all know that trees are an important aspect of our life. Now let us know how they are important to us. Now, the kids of Ready to Fly 1 are going to perform a small skit in front of us, which will let us know the true meaning of tree as a source of life. So guys, are you ready for this skit? Yes. Can we hear it for all the little kids? Yes.
दोनों को मिल जाएंगे दोनों.
In a dense jungle, there was a big tree. The tree was useful for all.
Trees, 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 have roots and trunks and leaves. Trees, 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 have buds and fruits and seeds. Trees, 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 a home for birds and bees. We all need our trees, trees, trees.
The tree gave shelter to the monkey. bird had the nest on the tree? Hello, I am a bird. It also gave papers to the book. Hello, I am a book. The tree was the source of fruit and vegetables. It gave capsicum. Hello, I am a capsicum. And it gave sweet mangoes. Hello, I am the king of the fruit. I am mango. The tree gave medicine to cure the animals. Hello, I am a medicine. They all lived together and used to stay around the tree. But suddenly, one day, there came a woodcutter.
Ha ha ha! I am a woodcutter. I am going to cut down this tree.
Oh, please don't cut me. But the woodcutter ignores the tree and starts cutting the tree. What have you done? You cut down the tree. The tree was very important. We cannot exist without the tree. Now, what will we do? So sad. The woodcutter realizes his mistake and says,
Oh, the tree was really important for all of us. I should not have cut down the tree. I did a big mistake. Wait, let me think of an idea. Let us plant a tree.
Yay! I will get the seed, says the bird. I will get the water, says the monkey. I will get the soil, says the book. Everyone goes and starts getting the things. They all started planting. Suddenly, what happens? The plant starts growing. It grows up and up. Hooray! again lived happily together. In this way, the little ones give us the message that we should not cut the tree. We should always save the tree.
Can we hear it for our little cutie pies? I think the message is quite loud and clear. And how did you like this capsicum the moment you fell down? It was so cute. Bye. Everybody please say bye first. Only then we can take the function ahead. After this cute little skit by our Ready to Fly kids, moving on, we will now have once again the graduation day ceremony for our Developing Root Class 1 batch. To present this, may I please request Anil sir to kindly come up on stage to present the graduation certificates to our little stars from Developing Root Class. So please let's hear it for our little Developing Root kids. So our little first grad is Shreya. Can we hear it for Shreya? Can I please request Anil sir to give away the certificate to our little princess Shreya? Let's hear it for Aradhya. After Aradhya, please put your hands together for our little grad Bihan. After Vihan, please put your hands together for Swan. Moving on, the next one, our next little grad is Ranil. Please put your hands together for little princess Afni. Let's welcome our next little grad, Zeenat. Please put your hands together for our last little grad, Swara. She's not good. Okay. Thank you so much. Can we hear it for our little grads? the award distribution ceremony for our little kids, now it's time for the parents. The whole year we've been having a lot of activities and the parents have given a very good contribution to this. Can we hear it for the parents? Thank you so much for contributing for all the activities that were conducted in the Little Millennium School. And I'm sure all the parents, the grandparents, everybody has enjoyed being a part of this function, right? Yes. Again, yes. Good. So now, after this, we will have the prize distribution ceremony for the parents. To present this ceremony and to present the awards, may I please request Chiranjeev sir to hand over. So we'll just have Chiranjeev sir on the other side of the stage and we'll begin with the award ceremony for parents. Can we hear it for sir? He will be presenting the awards for the parents. Okay. And the first award is for the Raksha Bandhan activity that you had in school. Any guesses who's the winner? Among the parents who all participated. Any guesses? Who's Kulkarni? Photographer? Acha. Okay. Yes, the photo is right there. Okay. So the award goes to Swara's mother for Raksha Bandhan activity, Shraddha Lonkar. Can we hear it for Shraddha Lonkar? Acha, somebody else is collecting the award on her behalf. Okay, can somebody else come and collect the award on her behalf if she's not around?
Yeah, any one parent can go.
So please put your hands together for Swara's mother. So we have Anil sir who will collect it. You have to take it from sir. Okay, on behalf of Swara's mother, Anil sir is collecting the award from Chiranjeev sir. Thank you so much sir. Moving on, the next category of award is for Diya decoration. I think we have the name displayed there. Not yet. Any guesses? जिसने भी participate किया था, who are the parents who participated? Can you all raise your hands? Because I was not there for the competition. Yes. Any guesses? किसे मिला होगा award? Yes. Any guesses? Okay. The award goes to Rudra's mother, Shubha Phale Rao. Where is she? Can we hear it for ma'am? For Shubha ma'am? Yes. There she is. Can we hear it for Shubha? Congratulations. Moving on, the next category of award is regular to school. Regular to school for parents or for kids? For kids who send regularly kids to school. I thought for the parents who regularly come to school for the meetings. Okay, one and the same. Again, the parent is only responsible for everything. So this award goes to Avni's mother, Meghrani Mahajan. Is she here? Please put your hands together for the lovely lady in yellow. Congratulations, Mrs. Mahajan, and thank you so much, Chiranjeev sir. So after this, let's come back to our performances. Everybody's awake, right? Yes. Yes. Okay. So I think once we have the kids on stage, automatically वो energy आ ही जाएगी once they start doing hi bye to everybody. I'm sure the stage is going to be filled with a lot of energy. So let's go ahead, taking the program ahead. Please put your hands together for our next performance. Next performance is going to be by Ready to Fly, and the name of this performance is Ria Had a Little Lamp. Let's see how the little gardeners take care of the plant with the help of water and sunlight. So it's a short story about how the plant grows and how the kids take care of it. So let's hear it for them. Let's put your hands together for the performance by Ready to Fly kids.